Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to show you this progress of this 4-room flat at Swee Road. As you know, Swee Road is a very old estate, so the condition of the flat is not that good. Okay, there are a lot of beams running across on the ceiling. Today my guys are actually installing the false ceiling, okay, to flatten up and to flush most of the beams. So let me just show you what my guys are doing right now. Okay, so this is the main entrance. Once you step in, right, the wall here has been removed or demolished. Okay, and the living and dining is actually here. You can see there's this beam running across the dining and the kitchen. Okay, so because of the aircon piping, I have done a drop ceiling. It's about 3 inches here, down all the way, straight towards the passageway and into the bedrooms. Okay, so to flush everything nicer, because there's a lot of aircon trunking running inside the on the ceiling. So if you do a false ceiling like that, right, it will look much neater. Okay, so the doors will be all underneath the false ceiling. So over here, there'll be a full height cabinet. That's mainly for lots of storage. Okay, you can see there's a bunch of wire here. This is for the DB or the distribution box. And over here there'll be a counter, right? So it's an open kitchen concept. The dining table will be here. Okay, let me just show you the box up here. So over here there's a drop because of the passageway. There's aircon trunking. And over there there's also a box up. Okay, that's above the kitchen cabinet. Okay, I've chosen this very nice marble look grain or porcelain tiles from Hafari. So we join them up together. Right, they look very nice. Okay, and so there's going to be a sliding door to segregate the yard area and the kitchen. So this flat is quite unique in the sense that there's one bathroom here. So there's also another bathroom which is at the end of the passageway. It's only for shower. So it's a separate bathroom, right? It's very far from here, the far end there. Okay, so if you want to lay the water pipe or the water inlet pipe, so the first thing first is you have to find how to lay from the main entrance all the way into this bathroom, right? Presumably you are going to replace all the water pipe. Okay, so the best way is to hide everything under the false ceiling. So you can see here the water pipe, right? It's a stainless steel water pipe. It runs this way, so then out into the box up, and it connects to the water supply outside. So I think this is a better way rather than running across your kitchen into your bedroom. Okay, this is the master bedroom. So you wouldn't want to run into your master bedroom. This was what the previous owner did. He ran into the master bedroom. Okay, and then it went up here and then into this shower or this bathroom. So this bathroom there's no WC, so strictly it's just for showering. So the WC is at the yard bathroom, which is here. So there's one WC here, and there's no place to put a vanity. So it's very tight. You see, it's so narrow. It's a bit longish. The shower is here. Of course, you can put your vanity here, but then there won't be any place to shower, or when you shower, you're going to wet your vanity. So I have pushed out the vanity here, okay, on this wall here. Okay, this is a good size, about 800 width, right? The vanity and then the mirror will be here. On top is a window that flips up, so for more ventilation and for more light to pass through to this bathroom. Okay, Okay, and then there's going to be a side and full door here. For rubbish chute wall, usually you can tile it up so that any water splashes or any stain won't dirty your wall, right? So then you can have that, you can replace your rubbish chute. Okay, so this wall and this wall is all tiled up, and of course the wall behind the vanity as well. Okay, so I'll show you more videos along the way. Okay, because today my guys are just installing the false ceiling. Okay, and then followed by carpentry works much later. Okay, so continue to watch my other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next video.